Hi, this is Deepak. Welcome to post market report. If you see, markets open flat. As I mentioned, markets open 30 to 40 point gap of opening. From there, severe selling pressure in Nifty. Nifty fell 90 points first, then after shot up 60-70 points and again fell 100 points. Morning itself I mentioned that the intraday volatility is going to be high because today is expiry day, and if you observe yesterday the volatility in markets is very high. You can think that markets volatility is very, you can think that I am telling market volatility is very high because in recent days Nifty is too volatile, I can understand, but the Indian VIX is to be higher in previous days. Because of that, people used to take far away put options, but if you observe now, Indian VIX is very low. It is almost 11.3, 11.24 something. So the option premiums will be very low. Because of that, people usually come close to the spot price. So small volatility, even 100 points volatility can give you a panic in markets. So if you observe, I think again this Jane Street people came today. I think that is going on because if you see FIDI data, there is heavy selling from FIS. FIS sold for 3,800 crores, DIS bought for 2,700 crores. The net value is on sell side, so because you can purely see, and retail people always follow the FIS. So markets fell today. You can consider it as a consolidation, but today's market is very disappointing. Markets because everyone expected Nifty to move higher today. Even gold is started correcting from morning, but Indian markets are unable to move higher. And one side, US markets, Nasdaq, SLB 500, all are hitting fresh all-time highs, but Indian markets are underperforming. Let's see. There is no point in discussing option chain data and all this. If you are seeing for support and resistance, you can go and see the monthly option chain data. If you see monthly, still 25,000 is having a solid support. There is the highest open interest near 25,000. So you can consider 25,000 as a good support and 26,000 as a good resistance. Even if you see, after this kind of fall in markets, the Indian VIX did not even shoot up. Morning it moved 2% higher, but end of the day it closed flat. So there is nothing to worry. We need to see how your US markets are going to trade over this night. Let me see once US futures. You can see almost all the indices are in green, and Nasdaq is hitting all fresh all-time high daily, and S&P 500 too. Uh, but our Indian markets need to catch up the rally. There is some problem in Indian markets, that is that uh, no one knows. We need to see why FIs are selling very heavily from last 1 week. And if you observe, after after inflation data, the inflation data is very low in the recent times. The inflation, this kind of inflation used to be in 2019. Even after this kind of inflation data, markets are unable to move higher. If usually whenever inflation data is low, uh, it is the time to invest, because this is where all the things start happening, start all the good things start happening. uh, you Let's see. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.